Happy Monday. It is the first day of second quarter, so we are going to hit the ground running here. It's a weird week. 3.5 days of school. Don't know for sure what Thursday's schedule is going to look like. I do know that you guys are out at 11:30. So we're going to do what we can with today, tomorrow, and Wednesday. Plan is to do notes on waves moving through different mediums today, different media, I should say, for today. It's posted on Edpuzzle. There are some associated questions, including a bell ringer for today, asking about what the three types of matter are. And so you're going to be jumping into that in a minute. Don't move yet. Tomorrow and Wednesday, we're going to be looking at a lab activity that's partially a digital lab, and then hopefully you get a chance to do the live action version of it as well. It's kind of a two-piece type of thing that we have planned there. Thursday, I'll let you know the plan as we get there, because I don't know for sure what our schedule is going to look like for that day. So that is the plan for this week so far. Thursday afternoon, 3 o'clock till 7:30, our parent-teacher conferences. And then Friday morning from 8 a.m. until 11, our parent-teacher conferences. Conferences are being scheduled with your Core Plus More teacher, but if anybody wants to specifically have a parent come and talk to me, then obviously we can try to work something out. I'll try to drop in on your Core Teachers Conference, or otherwise they can try to come by at an alternate time during the conferences. I don't think it's going to be really a question or an issue for anybody in my science classes. Just kind of wanted to throw it out there. One last thing, I do have the tests graded for those of you who did it on Friday. A few people haven't had a chance to do it because they were absent on Friday, and so I need to try to go ahead and get those tests done before I can pass them back. Anybody who's gotten the test done, it's in the grade book. The way that it worked is, it's broken down by sections. Those sections corresponded to the quizzes that we did this past quarter. And so it was where if you did better on the test, then that replaced your quiz grade. And for many of you, that was the case. And if you did worse on the test, then it did not replace your quiz grade. Then you kept whatever grade you had. So the test couldn't hurt you, could only help you. Basically, it was a retest, even though it was just called test. So that is just the explanation of what's going on there, and I'll get those handed back as soon as I can, which should be hopefully tomorrow, possibly on Wednesday. And then you'll know, in many cases anyhow, what your grade is for first quarter. So as I said, we are starting second quarter today, hitting the ground running. Unless you need to make up that test, I will go ahead and talk to those people individually, live anyway. Will. You can go ahead and grab your Chromebooks, get logged in. We're taking a look at Edpuzzle, taking a look at some notes there. Happy Monday.